Hi everybody, Paul here again. In this video, I'm going to show how to easily fix a wooden spindle chair. As you can see, the spindle came out here, here, and partially here. I'm going to use this glue that I've used for decades. This is a liquid hide wood glue. It's made by Titebond. It's an excellent product. I'd highly recommend it for furniture, and it'll give you a long working time. That's the other thing that I really like about it. So before you apply the glue, just make sure the surfaces are clean and dry. So I'm going to squeeze out some glue on a piece of cardboard, and I'm going to use a Q-tip to apply it. When you apply this, you want to apply it liberally. Don't be afraid of applying too much, because whatever excess you have, you can always wipe off. You're going to do both surfaces. There's the outside surface on the spindle, and we're going to do the inside surface. Again, make sure you put plenty of glue in. And then just go ahead and insert the spindles back in. In order to get a good tight finished joint, you've got to use some kind of a clamp. In this particular application, I'm using one bar clamp, which is all that's necessary to clamp all three spindle joints. Always be sure to use a piece of scrap wood on each end of the clamp surface so that the clamp does not damage the finished surface. Once everything is lined up, simply snug down the clamp. What I found is easiest to remove the glue is just take some water, put it on a paper towel or a cloth, and then just start wiping down the surfaces until you get all the glue off. And make sure when it's completed that your surface is completely dry. So I'll do that to all three of these spindles, getting that glue off, and then leave it clamped for 24 hours. And then after 24 hours, you can remove the clamp and the chair will be good as new. It's that simple. It's now been over 24 hours and I removed the clamp. I'm really pleased with the way the chair turned out. I'm hoping you can take this information and use it on any wooden furniture that needs re-gluing. I hope you found this helpful, and if you like this video, please hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and please be sure to subscribe. God bless you and have a great day. Bye for now. Okay, Sparky, wave.